Scientific names of animals. Did you know that the national bird of the United States of America is Haliaeetus leucocephalus? Basically, Haliaeetus leucocephalus is the scientific name for bald eagle, which is the national bird and symbol of the United States. It's but obvious that all of us refer to various animals by their common names, but these names differ from one region to another. This is where the scientific or zoological names of common animals come into the picture. They help zoologists, researchers, scientists, etc. to identify different species. Simply put, these names are used to categorize animals in a system known as taxonomy. Scientific names, the formal system of naming different species, animals as well as plants, is known as binomial nomenclature or binominal nomenclature. While the terms binomial name and binominal name both are technically correct, the term scientific name is much more popular than them. Each animal's scientific name has two parts. The first part represents the genus, a taxonomic group containing one or more species, while the second part represents the species, a taxonomic group whose members can interbreed. Some sources also refer to these names as Latin names. But the fact that the words used to create these names are not always taken from Latin language makes the use of this term technically incorrect. The credit of developing this naming system goes to the Swedish botanist and physician Carl von Linné, aka Carl Linnaeus, who attempted to describe the entire natural world by giving all the species a two-part scientific name. Whilst writing the scientific name of any species, you need to keep a note of the fact that the first letter of the genus name is always written in its capital form, while the first letter of species name or species descriptor is never started with a capital letter, not even if it is derived from a proper noun. Other than the genus name and species name, there is the trinomial name. In case of animals, it is referred to as trinmane, which is given to subspecies. For instance, the trinmane of the Arctic wolf, a subspecies of the grey wolf, is Canis lupus arctos. List of scientific names of animals with millions of animal species inhabiting this planet. It is very difficult to compile a binomial nomenclature list which would include all of them. An easier way out is to compile a list which would include all the popular members of Kingdom Animalia. Being easier to understand, such a list will explain the entire concept revolving around the scientific names of common animals pretty well. Common name, scientific name: aardvark, Orycteropus, affair, aardwolf, protals, cristata, African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, Amazon river dolphin, Inia geoffrensis, American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, Bahamian raccoon, Proceo lotor menardi, bald eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus, banded pit viper, Trimeresurus fasciatus, bee hummingbird, Millisuga helene, black rhinoceros, Dasyros bicornis, black widow spider, Latrodictus mactans, black wildebeest, Conochates, gnu, blue whale, Balaenoptera musculus, bobcat, lynx rufus, California condor, Gymnogyps californius, California, sea lion, Zelphus californius, capybara, Hydrocoerus, Hydrochaeris, caribou, reindeer, rangifer, tarandas, cheetah, Acinonyx, Jubatus, common bottlenose, dolphin, Tertius, truncatus, common chimpanzee, pan troglodytes, cougar, puma, concolor, dingo, canis, dingo, eastern diamondback, rattlesnake, crotalus, edmontus, elephant, seal, miraunga, angustirostris, elk, Cervus canadensis, emperor, penguin. Obtained diets: forstery, emu, dromeus, Novae Hollandiae, European otter, Lutra lutra, four-horned antelope, Tetracerus, quadricornis, giant anteater, Myrmecapha, Tridactyla, giant panda, Eleuropoda, Milnoliaca, giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis, golden hamster, Mesochrysatus, Oritus, golden capped fruit bat, Acerodo, Jubatus, grey fox, Eurocyo, Cinereorgentus, wolf, Canis lupus, great spotted kiwi, Apteryx, Hasti, great white shark, Carcharodo, Carcharias, greater dwarf, Lemur, Cherogles, major green, Anaconda, Unax, Murinus, grey heron, Ardea, Cinerea, grey, squirrel, Sciurus, carolinensis, guinea baboon, Papio papio. Hedgehog, Erinaceus, Europaeus, Hippopotamus, Hippopotamus, amphibious, horse, Equus, Cabolus, iguana, 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 impala, Epiceros, melampus, jackal, canis. Aureus, jaguar, panthera, onca, kangaroo, rat, Dipodomys, philipsi, killer whale, Orcinus, orca king, cobra, Ophiophagus, Hana, koala, bear, Phasclarctos, toes, Cinereus. Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, leatherback turtle, Dermocles, Coriacea, leopard, Panthera pardus, marsh rabbit, Silvilgus pelstris, Mekong giant. Catfish, Pangasianodo gigas, nightingale, Lasinia megarhinchos, nine-banded armadillo, Dasypus, Navamcinctus, North American beaver, Castor candensis. Northern cardinal, Cardinalis, Cardinalis, northern flying squirrel, Glaucomys, Subrinus, ocelot, Felis pardalis, orangutan, Pongo pygmaeus. Peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, polar bear, Ursus maritimus, praying mantis, Mantis religioso, red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, red panda, Elurus fulgens. Snow leopard, Panthera ansia, snowy owl, Bubos candiacus, sparrow, Prunella modularis, sperm whale, Pfister catodon, spider monkey, Ateles Geoffroy spotted, halibut, Viraspar, Variegatus, spotted hyena, Crocuta, Crocuta, Sperthide tortoise, Testudo greca, Tarantula, Lycosa, Tarantula, Tasmanian devil, Sarcophilus. Harisi tiger, Panthera tigris, tiger shark, Galeosardo, Cuvieri, turkey, Meleagris, Gallopo, Virginia, opossum, Didelphis virginiana, western gorilla, Gorilla. Gorilla, white-backed vulture, Gyps africanus, wildcat, Felis sylvestris, wolverine, Gullo with millions of species and seemingly infinite number of subspecies of animals inhabiting the earth. The chances of confusion exist in plenty. And this is where the two-part naming system comes as a blessing in disguise. More importantly, this system also provides stability. When a species has to be transferred from one genus to another, you don't need to change the species descriptor.